Hello friends, this is my first video. In this video I am going to make a name board or nameplate. So I'll show you what all materials I have used. So this is one MDF board. I bought it from Itsy. It is for ₹55. I will be using fiber paste, mixed media fiber paste. This also I bought from Itsy. It's from Little Birdie. I'll be using one stencil. As you can see, I have already used it. This also is from Little Birdie. I bought it from Itsy. Other than this, I'll be using some cursive letters. These letters I got online from Amazon. So these will be in two colors, but you can apply whatever color you want. Like originally it was this red color, but I made it orange. Now we'll start making it. So first, with the use of stencil, I'll apply this texture using this knife on my MDF board, and I'll keep it for drying for some time. So as you can see, this is the texture I have given to the board. I did not want a very uniform texture, so I just left some area here and there and I applied the texture here. Now my plan is to apply some color